Here's how to use the PageWatcher add-on to monitor any page for changes using the extensions of Nifty codes. First, we need to use an extension from Nifty codes. I will use the AliExpress one. Now, press on the settings. Then go to add-ons. Here you will find the PageWatcher add-on. Now to run this, simply press run. Now choose which type of extension you want to use. We'll use the AliExpress one. Now choose what type of data you want to monitor. We'll choose product details. Now simply we need to add the page link that we want to monitor. I will add this page containing this product. In monitored fields, in here you add the field you want to monitor. So for example, we want to monitor the price. In here you can add conditions that the add-on will follow. It makes the changes that match your conditions only count. Now in the notification field, you can choose where the add-on notifies you for new changes. You can use notify.sh. You can also download notify.sh in your phone if you want to be notified there. You can test if the notification works by pressing Test Notification. And then check the link. And there you go. Alternatively, there's other methods, like Discord webhooks. So basically you make a new server first. Now choose the channel you want to receive the notifications at. I'll choose General, and press on the settings. Then press on Integration. Then press Create Webhook. Now press on the webhook, then press Copy Webhook URL, and simply just put the URL in here. You can test it again by pressing Test Notification. And there you go. It works. Now let's go to the advanced settings. In here you will find reload frequency. You can choose in here how frequently the add-on will check for new changes. We recommend keeping this at default of 30 seconds, but you can change it at any time. You can also find scrape delay in here, which will add a slight 2 seconds delay before checking the data after refreshing the page. We recommend keeping this at default. Keep in mind this is in milliseconds. Now that's all done, we can press Start Monitoring. The add-on will refresh the page every 30 seconds and check if any changes has been made, and if it meets your conditions. Then it will notify you. We can also try this for eBay. Let's say we want to watch this page for any new listed products. To do this, simply open the PageWatcher add-on. And then choose eBay. And then Listings in a list. As usual, simply add the page you want to monitor. Keep in mind you can add filters before adding the page. So for example, we only want to monitor the newly listed products. And we want it to be over $240. Now you have set your filters, just copy the link. And paste it in the PageWatcher. Now as usual, you can add conditions in here. And once you're done, just press Start Monitoring. And that's basically it. The add-on will watch for any newly listed products in this list, and it will notify you according to your settings. So for example, after only one check, it found a new item already. We can find that item in our notification settings.